Presentation of speech word.
Lesson 6.
Speak right.
The vowels O in Today we'll talk about the vowels O and The sound O is a monophone. O is a long sound. It's spelled with the following letters: O-R in port, O-U-R in court, O-U in board, A-L in talk, A-U in court, O-R-E in war. The sound is a monophone too. It's a long sound. It's spelled with the following letters: I-R in shirt, E-R in her, U-R in burn, O-R in work, O-U-R in journey, O-L in kernel,
E-A-R in herd.
Now let's contrast the two sounds. Listen and repeat the sounds again and again. All, 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 Can you think of other words that contrast the sounds? Let's look at more word examples. Pork, pork, court, court, walk, work, more, myrrh, board, bird, course, curse. Can you give more examples?
I'm your speech coach, Chris Okwatcher. Thanks for being part of this learning experience. Own it, use it.
Speak right.
Speak right. Your accent is your asset.